Morning class. Welcome to the online class of Shivaji Group of Institutions. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Handle with Care. Chapter number 15 in your book, in your English literature book. Chapter number 15, Handle with Care. Now see, this is a type of story which is given in your book. The characters, the name of the characters are given. See page number 140. Policeman is the character, motorcyclist, passerby number 1, passerby 2, passerby number 3, passerby number 4 and woman. ठीक है? So इसमें कितने सारे characters दिए हुए हैं? ये दिया हुआ है. देखिए आगे. The scene is of a late 21st century street corner. The scene is of a 21st century street corner. 21st century जो थी street corner उसके ऊपर ये scene है. A foggy rundown potholed street corner. Foggy rundown. Foggy rundown means a poor neglected state. A foggy rundown and old street corner. Potholed street corner it is with dilapidated houses. Dilapidated means in a state of ruin. Very bad condition of the houses are there in this street. Street lamps, pavements, etc. The conditions of the lanes are also not good, and the condition of the street lamps are also not good. Dilapidated means in a state of ruin, means in a very bad condition, etc. On and off showers of acid rains occur. On and off showers of acid rain occur. The showers of acid rain are occurring. On and off means stopping and occurring. The sun is a reddish orange orb. The sun is a reddish orange orb. Sun is a reddish orange orb. What is the meaning of orb? Orb means a spherical shape. Orb means a spherical shape hanging overhead, and it is hanging overhead. It is all smoky and lazy. It is very all smoky and lazy. The sun is a reddish orange orb and it is hanging overhead. It is very smoky and it is very lazy. Some beings are loitering on the street corner. Some beings, some passers-by are loitering, means they are moving on the street corner. A woman is also moving about. A woman is also there, which is moving about. Suddenly, a motorcyclist appears on the street, and the woman walks straight into his path. Now, suddenly, a motorcyclist is there, who is appearing on the street, and the woman walks straight into the path of the motorcyclist. She is hit by the motorcyclist and falls down. Now that woman is hit by the motorcyclist and she falls down on the ground. The policeman standing on the corner notices the accident and signals the motorcyclist to stop. And the policeman on the corner was standing there and he notices the lady falling down and just signals the motorcyclist to stop there. The motorcyclist waits for the policeman and the latter approaches him with a baton. Now the motorcyclist is there who waits for the policeman as the latter means the baadwala approaches him with a baton. What is the meaning of baton? A short thick stick, and he comes with a thick stick carried as a weapon, which is carried as a weapon. Soon 4 passers-by crowd in on the fallen body. Now soon 4 passers-by crowd in on the fallen person. Now this is all given in this scene. Now we start this scene. First, policeman approaches the motorcyclist waving the baton. Handle with care, and he says, handle with care. Handle with care. Couldn't you see the sense the label is so prominently displayed on this beam? Now he says that couldn't you see or sense the label so prominently displayed, so nicely displayed on this beam? On this beam it is written handle with care. Can't you see? He's asking the motorcyclist, can't you see this? After that, are your sensors not working? He said that are your body sensors not working? क्या तुम्हारे sensors काम नहीं कर रहे हैं? Now motorcyclist speaks, but that was none of my fault. Motorcyclist says that was none of my fault. मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. This being was walking quite normally on the footpath. He said that this woman is walking quite normally on the footpath. It suddenly turned and came in my path. It suddenly turned. तुरंत वो घूमी वहां से and came in my path. मेरे रास्ते में आ गई. Waving off an imaginary cloud of gases. and she is waving off an imaginary cloud of gases. What could have I done in this murky darkness? And what could I have done in this murky darkness? What is the meaning of murky? Dark and gloomy. And what could the person do in that gloomy and dark time? And he is not able to see the woman, and he hit the woman. Now afterwards, murky darkness, the motorcyclist says. Now the policeman says, I'll find out. Now policeman says, I'll find out. You better wait. तुम थोड़ी देर wait करो. You better wait. You don't know what you have done. Now policeman said, you don't know what you have done. Hitting a handle with care being. You have hit a handle with care being. You have hidden a handle with care being. Approaches the fallen body, waving away the passers with his baton. Now he approaches the fallen body, waving away the passers-by with his baton. He goes to the fallen body, waving away the passers-by with his baton, with his stick. Now passer-by number 1. What did the passer-by number 1 say? Yes, the label is very much there. The passer-by number 1 says, the label is there on the lady. The label is there on the lady. Passer-by 2. Yes, waving off a cloud of gas. We can all see it. We can all see it. Why couldn't the motorcyclist see it from a distance? Now the passer-by number 2 says, we can also see this label, but why the motorcyclist can't be able to see this label? See it from a distance. Now passer-by number 3 also is there. He says, it's a grave crime these days. It's a grave crime means it's a serious crime these days. Approaching the fallen body, it's a grave crime. It's a very big crime he has done. To hit anybody with the handle with care label and to hit the person at whom it is written handle with care, it is a very big crime according to the passer-by number 3. After that, the policeman comes. He says, yes, I heard only the other day. Policeman said, I heard only the other day. These handle with care beings are becoming extinct at a fast rate. These handle with care beings, handle with care के जो beings हैं are becoming extinct a fast rate. मतलब ये लोग गायब हो रहे हैं बहुत तेजी से. ये लोग गुम हो रहे हैं, गायब हो रहे हैं. Begins to examine the fallen body. Now he begins to examine the fallen body. Takes out a sensor from his pocket, presses it against the chest of the fallen body, and watches its dial. Now begins to examine the fallen body, takes out a sensor from his pocket. Now he takes out a sensor from his pocket, presses it against the shape. Now he presses it against the shape of the fallen body and watches its dial. Now what happened? Passerby number 1 said, is it dead? Now passerby number 1 said, is it dead? क्या वो मर गई है? Passerby number 2. Is it senseless or simply unconscious? Passerby number 2 says, is it senseless or is it unconscious? Now passerby number 4 says, oh, these handled with care beings are really delicate. Passerby number 4 says, these handled with care beings are really delicate. They are very delicate. Now passerby number 3 says, indeed, that's why they are labeled handled with care, isn't it? Now that's why they are labeled handled with care, isn't it? All passerby, including policeman, laugh, and all passerby, including the policeman, starts laughing. They are खुश होने लगे, वो लोग हंसने लगे. Now the policeman said, no, it is not dead. Policeman said, it is not dead. वो अभी मरी नहीं है. Watches the dial from the sensor. वो watch कर रहा था dial from the sensor. It is very much alive. ये बहुत alive है, मतलब अभी वो है. Now what should be done? It's a rare occurrence. Now he says, what should be done? It's a rare occurrence. It's a rare occurrence. A motorcyclist hitting a handle with care beam. A motorcyclist hitting a handle with care beam. A motorcyclist is hitting a handle with care beam. The being is unconscious, and the being is unconscious. It is not awakened, it is unconscious, it is not having any sense. Thinking, then turning to the passerby, or does anyone smoke you? No. Does anyone smoke you? No. What first aid should be given to it. He said that the policeman, what first aid, तो उसको क्या दवाई दी जाए? What first aid must be given to it? Suddenly remembers something and begins to search for it on this body. And he suddenly remembers something and begins to search it on his body. Now passes by number 3. Well, he says, passes by number 3. Well, I have lived once with these handled with care beams. Now passer by number 3 says, well, I have lived once with these handled with care beams. He said that he has lived with these handled with care beams. They are certainly delicate, fragile, temperamental. He said that they are very delicate, they are very fragile, they are very weak, easily broken, and they are temperamental also. Temperamental means a person with uncertain changes of mood. Their mood easily changes. I have seen them falling suddenly, but never. I have seen them falling suddenly, but never. Now the policeman again says, do you mean to say that you never saw them being hit by a motorcyclist? The policeman asked, do you want to say that you never heard them? You have never saw them being hit by a motorcyclist, being hit by a motorcyclist. Still searching for something on his body, but what do they do in that case? Now the policeman asks, what do they do in that case? After that, passerby number 3, well, they just get up and start walking again as we do. He said that well, they just get up and start walking again as we do, they also start walking up. But yes, sometimes I remember once a handle with care being fell down and began to cry. The passerby number 3 says, I remember that he remembers that once a handle with care being fell down, once a handle with care being fell down and begins to cry. No handle with care being was around. No handle with care being was around. I couldn't understand what to do. And he said that he couldn't understand what to do. I made it stand up to walk again, but it began to cry more loudly. He said, I made it stand up to again. He said he made it stand up again, but it began to cry more loudly. It began to cry more loudly. Passerby number 1, cry, laughs quietly. Passerby number 1 say cry, he laughs quietly. Passerby number 4, oh, these poor handled with care beings. He says that these are the very poor handled with care beings. They cannot even see properly in the cloudy environment as we can. He says that they cannot even see properly in the cloudy environment as we can. Okay, then what happened? And passerby number 3 says, shortly, some handled with care beings come that way and rush to its aid. They took it to a hospital. Now passerby number 3 says, shortly some handled with care beings come that way. Shortly some handled with care beings come that way. They come that way and rushed it to its aid. They took it to a hospital. Passerby number 2, what does a hospital do? Now he asks, what does a hospital do? Passerby number 3 says, oh, it's a kind of repair station for these delicate beings. He says that it's a kind of repair stations for these delicate beings. Here they recover their lost limbs and organs as we do in our repair stations. You know that they are purely biological beings. Not at all sturdy like us. All passers-by laugh. Now all the passers-by are laughing. So this is a part of the story I have told you today. And afterwards, in the next video, I shall be discussing it about with you children. In this video I will stop in here only. In the next class I will start after it. Thank you children. Have a great day.